So here is the Spirit Halloween high voltage. Throw the switch, stand back, the door opens to reveal the horror. So, brand new in the original packaging. Just open the box for the first time. Here's one of the inserts. Here's if you're going to make it a display model, I guess for the store. There's the operating instructions, and we're just going to move this stuff back away a little bit. Give this some space here so that we flip the switch. Pretty loud, and the door opens and closes on its own. Obviously it's better if it's attached to something on the wall so that it doesn't slide forward. So this is the first time it's been out of the box. There are a few manufacturing scuffs here and there. Batteries were not included. A little skull on the switch there. And that is the Spirit Halloween high voltage.